Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, in less than 24 hours, People's National Party delegates will go to the polls at the National Arena to elect a new leader. But as the day draws closer, more drama. The Rise United team is demanding that the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, be given full responsibility for the election. They're upset that staff from the PNP Secretariat associated with the campaign have been pulled from working tomorrow. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
A letter was sent by one PNP's campaign manager, Nassel Nita, to the PNP Secretariat, highlighting what has been described as perceived bias on the part of workers scheduled for Saturday's presidential election. It said operatives of the Secretariat in the presidential election will include persons who are identified as supporting the Rise camp. Ms. Nita further stated that it cannot be that some persons have removed themselves to ensure no conflict of interest while others are still on board. And as such, she requested that several persons be relieved of their election day duties. Our news center was later informed that the Secretariat followed through on Ms. Nita's request. However, campaign manager for Rise United, Dr. Dayton Campbell, expressed his dissatisfaction with the action taken by the Secretariat. According to Dr. Campbell, the workers were removed without consultation and the Secretariat unilaterally appointed replacements. He says there are 32 people on the list of workers about whom it has strong objections because of their support for Dr. Phillips.
There are persons there who are known supporters, and those persons, in all fairness, for good order, should also excuse themselves from the process. It's not that we are worried, but we are just saying, if you're going to ask the persons who support in Rise to recuse themselves from the process, then that you should also ask the persons who support one PNP to do the same. But it gives the appearance of bias and injustice when you just ask one side to recuse themselves and allow the other to stay with persons who are openly supporting one PNP.
It's why the Rise United camp indicated it now has no confidence in the Secretariat and wants the EOJ to staff the sensitive areas of screening and registration. Mr. Campbell says Rise United requested a meeting with the PNP Secretariat this afternoon. However, no response has been received so far. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.